Hi everyone, blessed be. So I'm going to show you today how to make some eggshell powder. So first of all you need something to crush the eggshells in. You don't have to have a mortar and pestle like I've got. You can use a bag and a food bag and a rolling pin, whatever you can use to crush the eggshells. Now these eggshells have been boiled, they've had the membrane peeled from the inside of them, and then they've been left to dry for a week just to make sure there's no moisture in them at all. So they feel quite brittle, but they are perfect to make eggshell powder. Eggshell powder is used in protection workings and it's quite a useful thing to have, and it's nice and easy to make and cheap because basically these are just the discarded shells from when I've cooked with some eggs. So anytime you're cooking, just save your eggs, make sure you wash them, peel the membrane off the inside of the shell, boil the shells and then leave them to cool and then leave them out to dry on some paper towel. And then I've put them in a jar to keep them safe until I was ready to turn them into powder. So what I'm doing here is grinding them up. Now my mortar and pestle is only a cheap one that's made out of wood. So I'm only going to be able to get them so fine. So I'm not going to be able to get them into a powder form exactly. But you could use a blender, food processor, whatever you've got. This is what I've got, so this is what I'm using. And I'm just scraping and pressing hard and squishing the shells to crumble them up as much as I can into as small a piece as I can. I don't mind my eggshell powder being a bit chunky. Then take a nice clean jar, and I've got this little spoon that I use for my herbs to spoon the contents into the jar. I think this mixture here was about 4 eggshells, 4 whole eggshells. But I did have about 8, I think, altogether that I did grind up in the end and fill the jar right up to the top. And these last ages, I've never had eggshell powder or crumbled eggshell go off. It seems to last ages because obviously it's been boiled and the membrane's been removed, so there's nothing in there really to go manky. So they'll last ages, should last at least a year in the jar. And that's it. That's how to make eggshell powder for protection workings. Hope you enjoyed the video. Blessed be. Bye for now.